My name is Nabil Mohammed. You may notice me if I say I need milk on Facebook. A lot of people in this community, a lot of Oromia people in the USA. I love Oromia, and I love Oromia, and I like Oromia, and I'm Oromia. I like banana. What's your name?
Sada.
What's your name?
Sadia.
What's your name?
Alia.
Okay, I'm here with these three girls. Alia. What's your name again? Sadia? No, Sadia. And Saia. Oh, I'm here with these girls. Do you want to say a few things first? No. Do you want to say a few things?
I'm okay.
She said, I'm okay. And what do you want to say? Do you want any things to say? Hey, do you want to say anything? Okay, they don't want to say anything because, okay, and we are Oromia. We are the one. Sharian Nabil Mohammed. To end this, I'll do this. Go Oromia.